first?
Don't think so.
You can't just count the rooms.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were dictating the rules. Do me a favor. Stop your friend hitting on my brother. He doesn't want anything to do with you losing.
Aisling wouldn't be seen anywhere near your brother. He's not our type.
That's not what I heard.
Doesn't you know you belong to me? Doesn't you know you are mine to keep? Doesn't you know you ain't gonna creep? Something you're not telling me. Doesn't you know you belong to me? Doesn't you know you are mine to keep? Doesn't you know you ain't gonna creep? It's something you're not telling me, boy. What you've been doing while I'm asleep. What you've been getting up to out on the street, boy.
Aisling, where have you been? We need to serve dinner.
How long?
A minute? What are they doing now?
Just sort of smiling at each other.
Smiling?
They're not smiling at each other anymore.
Okay, go! Go, Ollie, go!
And what is this?
It is crostini.
Crust being the right word. I think we'll get something out. Don't trouble yourself.
Oh, it's no trouble, really. I can make something else if you want. Please, please don't go. I made herring fish cakes!